Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update Gcash and your phone OS because outdated apps break payment flows. Next, test your network. Switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode so you rule out connectivity. Then check your wallet balance and linked card status and clear any pending OTP or two-factor prompts. These commonly block transactions. Once done, note any error codes shown. That code guides the next diagnostic steps, so write it down before proceeding. Now you perform detailed checks. Retry the payment and watch exactly when it fails, at authorization, processing, or confirmation, because each stage points to a different cause. Then review transaction history and pending holds. Banks or merchant systems sometimes impose daily limits, so verify your linked bank's caps. Clear app cache and force stop Gcash to remove stale sessions. After that, try a deliberately small payment, like $1 or PHP1, to confirm whether the gateway accepts low-value transactions before escalating further. Finish by escalating correctly. If the payment still fails or money was debited, contact Gcash support immediately and include the error code, screenshots, timestamp, and merchant details so they can trace the transaction. If funds were taken, submit a dispute and expect a reversal window of 24 to 72 hours. Keep copies of all receipts. Finally, if issues persist, reinstall the app and re-link cards, then test with a trusted merchant. If nothing works, one key tip: check bank blocks, call your bank to unblock merchant types.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.